Supply chain design is important to Reddy Ice because it allows us to model out what good operational efficiencies look like. And in turn, we can take that information, deliver it to our stakeholders, and they can make a more informed decision about our business, both from a strategic perspective and also a tactical perspective as well. My favorite thing about Cosmic Frog is how flexible and diverse it really is. You can put in as much information as you want into it, or a minimal amount of information, and still get back some sort of answer. And even if you put in a small amount of information, the platform allows you to continue iterate on top of that. You can continue to put in more and more information. Working with the Optilogic team has been incredible. Everyone that I've encountered at Optilogic is super down to earth, super friendly, and really interested in the problems that we're trying to solve. So at times I've been lost, and they've been super helpful with helping me look at my problems in a slightly different lens and helping to overcome those challenges that I was encountering to help me get to a better answer, or an answer that we might have never have known about without their help.